In this video, we'll walk through the IVR ordering workflow, from creating a request to tracking its status. IVR, or Insurance Verified Request, is the process of requesting prior authorization and ordering products for a specific patient based on their wound progression. To create an IVR request, start by opening the patient record. IVRs are created at the patient level based on the wound case progression. Inside the patient profile, access the wound cockpit. This is where you can view the full wound history and determine if the case is legible for an IVR request. In this example, you can see the first wound is eligible for an IVR request, but not the second. For this case, we'll be using one that is pre-filled. Select the wound case. The system will automatically display relevant wound information, including dimensions. Then complete the required fields. Select the vendor you want to order from. Choose the product. The platform will suggest products that best match the wound characteristics. You can click on Add. Select size and quantity. Add the ICD-10 code. Provide a clinical justification explaining medical necessity. You can also add a request note, and then you click on Submit IVR Request. The request will be created and routed for approval. To monitor your request, go to the IVR tracking section within Inventory Management. Here you can see the status of each IVR request, whether it's in progress, approved, or completed. You can also organize requests by product category, such as amniotic, biologic, or conservative care products. Within each category, select IVR requests to view the associated submissions. Additionally, to navigate to the order sections to track the life cycle of each IVR request. This allows you to monitor whether the request has been processed, approved, or moved forward in the ordering workflow. Once your IVR request is submitted and approved, the product will be received into your inventory, where it becomes available for use in patient care. In the next video, we'll walk through the treatment wizard and how to document and apply treatments during a wound visit.